Did you know the most radical philosopher in history owned only three things? Diogenes had just a cloak, walking stick, and food pouch, until one day he saw a child drinking water with cupped hands. He immediately threw away his cup, calling it unnecessary luxury. This ancient Greek lived in a giant ceramic jar in the Athens marketplace. He shocked everyone by doing whatever he wanted, insulting the rich and powerful without fear. When Alexander the Great, conqueror of the known world, found him sunbathing and offered to grant any wish, Diogenes simply said, "Stand out of my sunlight." Alexander was so amazed he declared, "If I were not Alexander, I would want to be Diogenes." Diogenes carried a lamp in broad daylight, claiming to search for an honest man but never finding one. His message was simple. Happiness doesn't come from having more, it comes from needing less. True freedom isn't about more choices, it's about fewer desires. In a world obsessed with accumulating stuff, maybe the secret to contentment was figured out 2,000 years ago.